guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So Everyday Art by Brittany Gunter sent me this gorgeous piece to do a collab with. So it actually took me a few weeks of pondering of what to do with it, because I thought it's so pretty and I don't want to do anything to take away from it. But when I look at it, this is kind of what I see. I see like a pretty night sky, some land over here, and then some water. That's what I see. So I'm going to kind of expand on that. And I'm going to add a tree. I don't want to cover up too much of this. It's super pretty. But I'm going to simply add a tree over here. A little line kind of delineating some land. And then I may add some gold. Not totally sure. I'm just going to use regular black acrylic paint here. This is Artist Loft black paint. And we'll go ahead and get started. So I kind of imagine the land being like here, kind of going out into the water. And then a tree that can come up over here. And I'm not going to particularly do a lesson on trees in this. I'm going to probably just fast forward this part because I like to take my time doing the branches. But long story short, I just tend to end my branches kind of in a V. I found is the easiest way. Want to make sure that there's branches hanging at all different lengths and that you have different sizes, big and small. So we're going to go ahead with this. I'm going to speed this part up. Alright, so I think that's all that I need to do on that. I don't want to get too complicated with it. What I was thinking now was I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to go in here with a little bit of gilding and kind of use that for some of the parts that would have light shining on it. So kind of use that as a highlight. I thought it'd be a really good accent color with this color scheme. So we're going to let this dry and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So I'm going to go ahead and add the gilding. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so I can just go ahead and take my time, but I'm imagining the light source coming from over here. So I'm going to go ahead and lighten up basically the right side of this. Here we go. Okay, there you have it. I hope you guys like this as much as I do. Definitely wanted to add to it without taking away from any of the super duper cool parts. So let's go ahead and do our close-up here. So I'm going to start in the lower right hand corner. You can see she put a varnish on there. She does such a good job on the varnish. And this is obviously a really cool swipe. I can't wait to see the video of how she made this piece. Because it's super cool. So here's my tree. Let's go a bit of an angle. So lots of gold on that right hand side, darker on the left hand side. Yeah, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Brittany for this really fun collab. Guys, make sure you go check out her channel and subscribe and show her some love. And we will see you next time.